For him, his partner Pradeep just on one. But Madan Mohan, well, he's got to mend his ways here. It was really expensive in his only over so far. But he's the kind of bowler who can definitely come back. Strongly built. That's Mohan Lal, the big star. Knows that this is a very important game just to carry on the momentum. Both the teams, as Rohan was mentioning, have performed really well so far this season. But that struck beautifully, sublime timing, and the ball just racing to the fence.
Oh, outstanding shot there by Rajiv. You can see he's making a lot of room to play on the offside. Even in the previous over, he was trying to make room to play on the offside through the cover point area or the mid-off region. That's a boom chicka wawa moment.
Sorry, boy, sorry. Sorry, boy, sorry. I'm sorry.
Well, and as captain, you've got to realize that he's trying to play on the offside. And instead of having 4 fielders on the leg side, you might be better off having 3 fielders on the leg side and have an extra man on the off, because he's not looking to play any shots on the leg side.
Yeah, rightly said, and definitely will provide much more cushion to the bowler as well. Goal in that area. That's nicely played, just playing with soft hands, running with the stroke once again. This can be really frustrating and irritating for the bowler, because as we were mentioning earlier, Rajiv has been picking those boundaries with a lot of ease and efficiency, and picking those singles will always be irritating for the bowler, never easy for him.
For you.
This is a good combination as far as Karnataka Bulldozers are concerned, up the order. Left and right combination. Although Pradeep hasn't got most of the strikes so far, just faced 3 deliveries. But he's also the kind of man who can really go after the bowling initially.
Short pitched and well directed. I think that was the key. The direction of the ball was good, right into the body, in the ribcage. Didn't give him any room or width to take advantage of the short pitch delivery. Fancy finger work there.
That's once again played well, playing with the tide. Will settle for a single and retain strike. 27 without loss. Wants to be very precise regarding his field settings. Just moving a man on the offside for the left-hander. That's Pradeep on strike. Well, they have been taking their chances against the fielders here, and so far successfully.
Good try.
That's Deva, the drummer, whooping up a beat for the crowd that's come.
Again, a bit of misfield, but won't be very costly on that occasion. But one thing is there, Rohan, both the batsmen have started off pretty well. They're playing sensibly, going after the bowling at times, mixing caution with aggression. And that's the right approach shown by them.
Well, that man on your screen, Rajiv, he's on a mission. He's raced to 20 of just 14 deliveries, 2 fours and a 6. Steps out, flicks it over mid-wicket for a smashing boundary. Pradeep coming to the party now. Was feeling a bit left out with Rajiv hogging all the limelight with the boundaries and 6s. He decided, I'll have some of this. Steps out and boom. That's a boom chicka wawa moment.
Yeah, excellent footwork as well. Down the track in a flash, and knew exactly what he was doing on that occasion. Just taking the little route and very effectively. Boom chicka wawa moment as well. But coming back to the surface, Rohan looks to be a very good one as far as batting is concerned. The ball is coming pretty nicely to the bat. Good for stroke play, good bounce as well. Even bounce, that's so very important. And mentioning what the speeds, well, just around 120 is hovering. Bowling in that channel, started off with 119.8. Rakhendu.
Beautifully ball, Raghav. Beautifully ball.
Well, there you see.
That's it, bro. That's it. That's it.
Tried to. That's the Godrej Eon 1 watt project. It's a wonderful initiative started by them. It's an effort to create an awareness amongst people to save energy. You've got to support the 1 watt project by logging on to www.1wattproject.com. And what a way to end the over with a boundary. It's 38 for no loss.